So let's talk history. At one time there was a lot of light industrial being developed in California. And I just want to have a footnote that California is the nation's largest industrial market in terms of size and in terms of pricing on sales and leasing. So this is really significant. And so that kind of frames the opportunity, right? So if there's just this pent-up demand in this sector of California industrial, the reason I'm going into so much detail is why it's not being delivered, right? And there's a number of different factors, but let's paint the picture with history. 4.1 million square feet of light industrial was delivered in the 70s throughout the 80s. And the reason why a lot of light industrial was delivered during that period is it was pre a lot of the requirements you see today. And today there's a lot of requirements on light industrial or any commercial asset class. And we're talking about ADA access, fire sprinklers, all of the modern requirements that a commercial real estate new development would need to get permitted and delivered and entitled here in the state of California. So as time progressed, things got more and more expensive. And so building a metal shack on a concrete slab was no simple task as it was in the 70s and 80s. So then you start to see things tapering off in a really significant way as sort of things in California, is really reflective of, how complex things got over a period of time. And on this slide, you're going to see just it's tapered off, and now there's only a couple 100,000 square feet delivered annually of multi-tenant light industrial. And again, that frames the opportunity is that, at one time there was a lot being developed, and California's only gotten, busier, and there are only more people in California doing business. So there's less light industrial to go around. And if we do read about all of this industrial being developed in California, it's mostly large industrial, heavy industrial, but no light industrial to support it.